Hello children, welcome to today's mathematics session. Today we are going to solve HOTS questions from the chapter Squares and Square Roots. The full form of HOTS is Higher Order Thinking Skills. Means the questions will be tough and you have to think those questions and you need to try to solve it. So such kind of question, let me go with the first question in that. So the cost of leveling a square lawn at rupees 15 per square meter is 19,935. Find the cost of fencing the lawn at rupees 22 per meter. So here, before going and solving such kind of questions, let me explain you by giving simple example. So if I go to bookstall and I get one pencil whose cost is rupees 20. If I buy such kind of pencils, that is 10 pencils, what is the total cost? Yes, of course, the total cost is 200 rupees. How did I get this total cost? The total cost I got cost of each pencil into number of pencils. Is it right? Yes, the total cost equal to cost of each pencil into number of pencils. The same way here, the total cost is given 19,935 equal to cost of each pencil is nothing but the cost of per meter square is rupees 15 into here in place of total number of pencils we get its total area. Then total area becomes, to find the total area, what we need to do? Total area equal to 19,935 and this multiplication with the total area changes to division. Then we get the total area. Total cost with the per cost, if we divide, we'll get the total area. So hope this is clear for you. Now let me put the same thing in the solution. So in the solution, total cost equal to 19,935 rupees and per cost in what? Per meter square or square meter is equal to rupees 15. When we had a unit meter square, means it's a square, unit square is for area. Then total area is equal to 19,935 divided by 15. Now you can go cancellation. I'll cancel with the 3 table. 5 3s are 15. 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 4 remains, 5 9s are 45, again 4 remains, 5 8s are 40, 3 remains, 5 7s are 35. I'll cancel with the 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, 3 9s are 27. Then total area equal to 1,329 meter square. But area, in which dimension the lawn is? The lawn is in square shape. So area of square lawn equal to 1,329 meter square. We know that area of lawn is equal to side into side equal to 1,329. Then s into s becomes s square equal to 1,329. Then squares ending to either side, it becomes square root of 1,329. We need to find its root, children, here. 1,329. So make the period from the right to left. So 2 periods, 13 nearer to 13 the square number is, I think 4 square 16. So better I'll go with 3. 3 square is 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. Add up 3, then 3 plus 3 becomes 6. Then bring the next period 29. Since it is ending with the 9, so let us check with the 3 and 7 in the units place. So 63 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. So it becomes smaller. So let me check with the 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 6s are 54 plus 4, 58. It becomes greater. Means it tells you that 1329 is not a perfect square. So we'll get the answer in the decimal. So I'll go for checking with 6 table. 66 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 39. So nearer to 429. So 6 are 396, and the remainder 9 minus 6 is 3, 12, 12 minus 9 is 3, 1 borrowed, so 3 minus 3 is 0, add up 6 here, then 66 plus 6 is 72, point, I'll go for point, so 0.001 period I took. So let me bring that in the denominator. I'll go with the 5 table here. So if I go with the 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12, 7 5s are 35, 36. So it becomes greater. So instead of 5, I'll go with the 4 table. 4 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 7s are 28. And the remainder 10 minus 6 is 4, then 9 minus 9 is 0, then 12 minus 8 is 4. Then add up 4 here, then we'll get 728. So I'll get one more period down. You find till 3 decimal place, children. Later we'll round off to 2 decimal place. Then I'll go for 5 table here. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 2s are 10, 14, then 5 7s are 35, 36. So nearer only. Then subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5, then 9 minus 2 is 7, then here 13 minus 4 is 9, then here 9 minus 6 is 3. So I'll go for one more period. As I told you, I'll find till 3rd decimal place. Means there should be a 6 digits after a decimal point. Then add up 5 here. We'll get 5 plus 5 is 10. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2, 7. Again I'll go with the 5 only because it is nearer. So we get, so when I multiplied here, I'm getting here 3,64,000. Means lesser than 3,97,000. So I'll go with 5 only again. $3,64,525, and the subtraction of this is 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, then 14 minus 5 is 9, then we'll get 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, then here we get 9, 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is the remainder. Then S equal to, what is the answer? 36.455, but I'll round off to 2nd decimal place here, children. When I round off to 2nd decimal place, we need to see the number in the 3rd decimal place. So since the 3rd decimal place is 5, so I'll add up plus 1 to the 2nd decimal place. Rounding off we have learnt in class 6th only, children. So the answer becomes 36.4, then 5 plus 1 becomes 6 meters, and this is the answer in approximate because we didn't get the remainder as 0 here. This is the side of square lawn, but what it is asked in the question, the cost of fencing. Fencing, we need to find the perimeter first. So perimeter of square lawn. Perimeter of square lawn equal to 4 into S. We know the formula. The perimeter of square is equal to 4 into S. Then 4 into, what is the side we got? 36.46 meters, right? then multiply 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, then 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25, then 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. But after point we have decimal number 2 digits, so from right side. So we'll get 145.84 meters. Since we are finding perimeter, so its unit will be in single dimension. Then he asked to find its cost. Then 1 meter. So cost for 1 meter equal to rupees 22. Then cost for 145.84 meters equal to how much? Then total cost of fencing equal to 145.84 into 22 equal to, so the product I got is 3208.48 rupees, that is 3208.48 rupees. Hope this is clear for you children, right? So let me move to second question. Second question, if root 2 equal to 1.414, root 5 equal to 2.236 and root 3 is equal to 1.732, then find the value of two sub-questions are given. The first one is root 72 plus root 48. The second one is square root of 125 divided by 64. But here children, 72 is non-perfect square, but we can find its factor by doing prime factorization. So first one solving. First we'll go for factors of 72. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Similarly for 48 factors, even numbers, so I'll go with the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. You can observe here root 72 have the factors of 2 square into 3 square into 2, whereas 48 is having the factors of 2 square into 2 square into 3. But when I write under square root children here, this is only very important children. When I write in the square root, this square who is having the pair, that will come outside the square root, that is 3 2s are 6, and this doesn't have pair, so it lies under square root. Plus, and even for the 48, these both are having square, so it come outside and acts as 2 2s are 4, and this doesn't have a pair, so it lies under the square root. And keep remember, the root 2 value is given, no need to find, it's already given in the question, that is 1.414 plus 4 into root 3 is also given 1.732. So when I multiply 6 into 1.414, the product I got is 8.484, plus when I multiply 4 into 1.732, I got the product is 6.928. So when these two numbers are added, I got the answer is 15.412. So this is first sub question children. Now let me move to second sub question. Square root of 125 divided by 64. So here 125 and 64 doesn't have any common factor. And we know that 125 is not a perfect square. Right? So first we'll try to find the factors of 125 by doing prime factorization. So 5 2s are 10, 2 remains, 5 5s are 25, then 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So here 125 can be written as 5 square into 5. Since we are finding the square root, so it should be written in the pairs first. And 64 we know that it is a perfect square of 8. Then square root of 125 by 64, I'll rewrite it as square root of 125 by square root of 64. And root 125 can be written as 5. This is in the pair, so it comes outside the square root. It doesn't have pair. Therefore, it lies within the square root. So, root 5 divided by, and root 64, it is a perfect square of 8. So, I'll write it as 8. Now, I got square root of 125 by 64 as 5 root 5 divided by 8 equal to 5, and the root 5 value is given in the question. It's nothing but 2.236 divided by 8. Then this both get cancels with the 4 table, or if you want me to do, I'll do with the 2 table also. 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are 2, point remained as it is, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So the product is 5 into 1.118 divided by 4. Again I'll go with the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 remains, 2 5s are 10, again 1 remains, 2 9s are 18. After decimal point we had a 3 numbers, so 1 2 3 points. So you'll get the number as 5 into 0.559 divided by 2. Now first let me find the product, that is 5 into 0.559. The answer is 2.795. 2.795 divided by 2. So let me convert into decimal again. 2 1s are 2, point, 2 3s are 6, 1 remains, 2 9s are 18, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14. Again if I take here 0, 1 remains, then 2 5s are 10. So the answer, square root of 125 by 64, the answer is 1.3975. Is it clear, children? Now let me move to next, that is enrichment questions. First question, the product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, then find the number. So solution, let the other number be x. Then first number given is, first number is 16 times the other, that is 16 into x, which is nothing but 16x. And according to question, what is according to question? That is product of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to 1296. So one number is x and the other number is 16x, which is nothing but 1296. X into x is x square, that is 16 into 1 is 16. 16x square equal to 1296. Then x square equal to 1296. Since 16 with the x is under multiplication, changes to division. Any cancellation, you can go for cancellation. I'll go with 4 table. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 remains, 4 4s are 16. Again I'll go with the 4 table. 4 1s are 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, that is x square equal to 81. Square sending to the either side, it becomes square root of 81. We know that 81 is a perfect square of 9. So 9 is the answer. Therefore, other number is 9 and first number is 16 times of others. So 16 into 9, which is nothing but 144. Therefore, the required numbers are 9 and 144. If you multiply 144 into 9, you will get the answer as 1296, children. You can go for verification like that. Okay. So let me move to second question. Find the value of square root of 50625 and hence find the value of square root of 506.25 plus square root of 5.0625. So first let us find the square root of 50625, that is whole number. Square root of 50625, its value we need to find, children. So let me find its value by using long division method. 50625. So make the periods from the right side. So 5 we have the first period, so nearest perfect square number is 4, that is 2 square is 4. Subtract, 1 will get, 2 add up, so 4 will get, bring the next period 0, 6. So I think 2 it is better. 2 42 into 2 is 84. Then subtraction, 6 minus 4 is 2. Then we'll get 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Add up 2 in the divisor, 44. Then bring the next period, 5 that is 25. So let us check directly with the 5 4, 4, 5 into 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 4 are 20 plus 2, 22. 5 4 are 20 plus 2, 22, which is equal to the number. So 5 2, 2, 2, 5. Right? And the remainder we get here is 0, means its answer is 225. Later what it is asked? Square root of 506.25 plus square root of 5.0625. So first let me write in the form of fraction this number 50625 divided by 100, because after decimal point we have 2 digits, so we can make it as 100 in the, 2 zeros in the denominator, plus square root of 50625. I am removing the decimal point here, children. After decimal point we have 4 digits, so 4 zeros in the denominator, so 1 followed by 4 zeros. Next we know that its a perfect square value is, that is 50625 we got here, 225 by, and 100 is a perfect square of 10, so whole square, plus square root of the same answer, that is 225 by, here you check how many periods of zeros you have. So here I have 2 periods of zeros, so I can write it as 100. One period makes 1 0, another period makes 1 more 0, whole square. Here I had 1 period, so only 1 0 in the denominator. Clear? Then square and root get cancelled, square and root get cancels here also. So 225 by 10 plus 225 by 100. Now shift it into decimal point. That is, in the whole number the decimal point will be at the end. Since we have 1 0, the decimal will shift after one number. Here we have 2 zeros, it will shift here. So 22.5 plus 2.25. Then addition. Be careful in adding the decimal, children. 22.5. Here I am showing you point below point. Point left hand side we have only 1 digit, so 2. And point right we have 2 digits, so here 2 and here 5. It becomes unlike decimal places, so I'll make it 0 to make it into like decimal. And here we had our operation plus, so I'm going to add up. So 5 plus 0 is 5, then 5 plus 2 is 7, 2 plus 2 is 4, and the 2. So the final answer is 24.75. Clear, children? So let me move to third question. Third question, write a Pythagorean triplet if one number is 14. So here only one number is given, children, that is 14, and other 2 more numbers you need to find, again which should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So here there are 2 methods of solving this question, children, if the number is even. That is, the first method I'll show you, that is 2m equal to 14, then m equal to 14 by 2 and m equal to 7. The other 2 more numbers are, one is m square plus 1. It is given in the first worksheet, children, last main. Then 7 square plus 1 equal to 49 plus 1 is 50. And one more is m square minus 1 equal to 7 square minus 1, that is 49 minus 1 is 48. So the Pythagorean triplets are triplets are, one number is 14, the other two numbers are 50 and 48. So 14, 50 and 48. This is one method. The one more method is, here given number equal to 14. So here 14 is an even number. It is an even number. The other two more numbers, as I told you in the first worksheet, in the first video, that is the other two numbers, addition of two numbers is equal to a square by 2. Which is a? That is the given number is equal to a. Then other two numbers are b plus c equal to a square by 2. That is 14 square by 2. 14 square is 196 by 2, which is nothing but 2 9s are 18, 2 8s are 16. That is, if I add other two numbers, the addition of two numbers will be 98. One more condition is given, that is b minus c equal to 2. That is the difference of two numbers equal to 2. Which are two numbers that we need to find. So first you add up 98 plus 2 equal to 100. So 100 by 2, if you do it, what is the answer? 50. So one number is 50. Then check whether the other number is less than 50 or more than 50. If I take more than 50, suppose if I take b is equal to 50, then the difference of two numbers is 2 or the addition of two numbers is 98. Go any one of the condition, either b plus c or b minus c. If I take b plus c, that is b plus c is equal to 98. Then if b is 50, what is the other number? That is c, keep it as it is. Then c is equal to, if I send 50 to the either side, it becomes minus 50. Then 98 minus 50 is equal to 48. So the three numbers are 14. B value is, that is a comma b comma c are the Pythagorean triplets. Then 14 comma b is 50 and the c is 48. Are not the same numbers what we got in the first method? Yes. But this is not used for all children. If it is given odd number, it is very difficult to use this method. Right? At that time we have to go with this method also. Clear? Then if odd number is given, what we have to take? Here a becomes odd. Then b plus c is equal to only a square. Then no b. No divided by 2. Only a square. That is the given number square. So let me explain you by taking here one example. Okay. That is extra question. One number be 7. 7 is an odd number, right? So which is nothing but a. We'll consider a. Then the condition is b plus c. B plus c is equal to, in even what we have done, a square by 2. Whereas in odd we have to take only a square. That is 7 square. 7 square is nothing but 49. Next b minus c. B minus c equal to what we have taken here? The difference is 2 in the even. But whereas in the odd the difference is 1. Then you add up this 49 plus 1 which equal to 50. 50 by 2 is 25. So b is equal to 25. Then I need to find c. Then I'll go b plus c is equal to, what is b plus c? 49. Right. Then b, we know that b value is 25. Then c becomes 49 minus 25. If I send this 25 here, it becomes minus 25. Then 49 minus 25 is 24. Then the triplets of Pythagorean are 7, 25, 24. If we know that hypotenuse is the longest side, then 25 square is 625 equal to 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. Then 576 plus 49 is equal to 625, which is equal to 25 square. This is how we need to find, children. If it is even, this method. If it is odd, this method. Process is same, but addition of two numbers, here we take it as a square by 2 for even. Addition of two numbers in the odd we take only a square, and the subtraction of two numbers in the even we take 2. Whereas the subtraction of two numbers, if the number is odd, then we'll take 1. And remaining steps whatever we have done in both the methods are common. Hope this is clear, children. This completes first chapter, squares and square roots. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. Thank you.